Hi guys, the panic market is always a double-edged sword for traders. It makes you believe that the market will go down as it happened in Bank Nifty, and it triggers the FOMO of traders. And at some point of time into the day, once the panic goes away, the market either totally reverses or else the market goes into a sideways market, as you have observed in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here in this video, I'll guide you through how to identify this panic in markets and how to trade these kind of markets with confidence using simple yet effective techniques. But before we dive into analysis, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'm Dilip and I'm back with another insightful market analysis video. Coming to Bank Nifty, as I said initially, there was a strong panic selling. So how do you identify this panic selling is, let's take ATR. So if you look at ATR, Bank Nifty daily ATR is somewhere around 600 points. What this tells you is daily on an average Bank Nifty is moving 600 points on either side. On an average Bank Nifty is moving by 600 points, but if you look at Bank Nifty opened just below the rally high of Friday, and what happened immediately, it came down all the way down to 48,110 levels. So if you compare from the high point to the lowest point, it's somewhere around 750 points. So think about it guys. So whole day 600 points is the ideal move in Bank Nifty, but here it has moved 750 points in the first 1 hour itself. So why do you think this has happened? So there were 2 days holidays, Sunday and Saturday, and so whoever have gone longs, they will panic because of the negative news whatever has developed in these 2 days. So what they do immediately as the market opens, they unwind. So what happens at some point of time, these big traders who were supposed to exit their positions whole day, they have exited in the first 1 hour itself. So at some point the panic subdues. So markets go into a consolidation or a total reversal also might happen. So that is what happened today. So if you check my Telegram channel, I was updating the same thing. So just be careful. There is something wrong with this first 1 hour move. So there is a possibility of total reversal or there could be a consolidation. That is what happened. So how do you take advantage of this is on Friday's video I was speaking about, there is a high possibility it will come down to the Friday's low because this is a strong price magnet, and once the prices gets accepted inside value area, prices will likely go for the value area low and it will go for the price magnet, which is obviously the low of Friday. And not only that, I was also mentioning prices will likely go for the strong value which has happened on 27th Jan. That is what happened. So there is a clear acceptance here. So 80% rule comes into play and prices goes to the other side of the value area. As the price is moving down, there are few clues that have indicated the down move itself moving because of strong aggressive sellers, not because of limit sellers. First thing is, the obvious thing is the IB, the first 1 hour range is very high, and on left side there is a good amount of aggressive selling. Right side, if you focus here, the orders are not matching with the left side orders. Same thing happened in the second 30 minutes also. So left side orders, on lower side there is good amount of aggressive sellers, but on right side orders are not matching with the left side order. So that speaks about passive interest was not there at the lower levels. So since the aggressive people or market orders are out of the market, passive buyers whoever are there around this level, they will try to take profits. So prices turns around. So again, so how do you take a trade here? Your patience is very much important. You can't go into FOMO. People whoever wants to enter at these lows, they will get trapped. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is there is a good possibility this low itself is a good price magnet in market profile, and likely it will come down again. Any up move without touching this again, at some point of time sellers will strongly come down, and for tomorrow I think 48,050 levels is the level what you need to watch for. So any sustaining below 48,000 levels on 30 minutes to 1 hour, there is a possibility of prices trying to go for 47,500 to 47,000 levels. So for any kind of further up move guys, I think this rally high at 48,540 levels, again it stands as a good resistance level. Any sustaining above this 48,540 to 560 levels, you will see easily 48,720 and this high, and there is a possibility of 49,200 tomorrow itself. But if you ask me, As of now, the overall sentiment itself is bearish. 48,050 is very high likely tomorrow itself. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, on Friday's video, I was speaking about there is a clear double distribution. There is a one distribution inside IB and there is a second distribution outside the IB. Probability is high this double distribution get tested out in the next couple of days. This is what I said. And today, if you look at the opening itself is inside the value area and it has almost covered 75% of the total value area. So in market profile for us, it's always the value area which is very important, and this blue band, it acts as a very strong resistance or support based on where the price opens. And once the prices opened, it tested the selling order block and it closed below the blue band, and it itself is a open test drive. So in open test drive, what happens, you will see a range extension more or less 100% of the open test drive candle. This open test drive candle is somewhere around 97 points, and downside there is a range extension 117 points, which satisfies the open test drive rule. And just like it happened in Bank Nifty, the IB of first 1 hour in Nifty is also 217 points. On an average, Nifty moves somewhere around 170 to 200 points. So in the first 1 hour itself, it has moved nearly 220 points. So what is the probability once the big players who are supposed to trade whole day, they exit in the first 1 hour itself? It goes into a most probably a sideways market, or market totally reverses. So what happened next? Around 10:45, there is a failed auction. Here the sellers clearly failed to push the prices below the IB. Once the sellers fail, prices will retrace back towards the half of the range to find more sellers, and prices again comes back. For tomorrow, again, as of now, the value itself is lower low, with the POC being lower low. There could be a sideways market, and the low itself is again a poor structure. There is a possibility this might get tested out. But for opportunities, guys, you look for price acceptance for any long opportunities above 22,200 levels towards 22,250 levels, and second target will be 22,290 levels, which is the value area high. For if at all there is going to be a gap up, again watch for this level, how the price sustains, or if the prices closes inside value area high at 22,270 levels, good possibility it will come down to 22,180 levels, and low is also very much possible. Be cautious. If global markets turns negative, there could be a strong selling again towards 22,000 in futures, and 21,800 is very much possible. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, click on the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. This is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.